Hi guys, today we are at Aber Bay. Let's explore it. Let's go. Now I'm going to show you everything else. First I'm going to show you the map, which there's quite a big map. So as you can see, we've just been on the bridge. We're at this point here. And we will be going that way, all the way that way. As you can see, we see the lake and a flower. And then we'll be going up again, and then we'll have a point where we can go to see that, to see a butterfly. And then we can go up, or this way, or this way. Right, now we're just going to carry on walking up this route. It's a big route. I would stay on the narrow path. Anyway, we've just been on the bridge and now we're off the bridge and now we're just walking. Like a normal beat. Obviously, I wear my sunglasses because it's that sunny. I can't see you guys. And you probably won't able to see me in the sun. Because it's hot here. My t-shirt says smile. Smile. Smile louder, smile now. Whoa, uh-oh. As you can see, there's getting nettles a lot of places, and there's still bushes. It looks like there's but it's actually from winter, because all the bushes came off with summer, so they should be going back. There's a pigeon there. Look. Pigeon. There's a pigeon right up there. Can't see. Pigeon is just sat there like, what? Who are all these people? Well, he's only need to, he cares about people. Probably don't like people. Just like I don't like a lot of people. That was cool. I don't love a lot of people either. But I love you guys. Actually, I love everyone. Even you guys. We're just carrying on going down this narrow path. Shade. But it's not a lot of shade because it turns into sun. Now, you can't really see me. I'm still here. Still there. Don't worry. As you can see, I'm still there. Okay. Now we've got a bit further. I am just trying to film it. As you know, what was I going to say? Can't remember now. Sorry guys. Can't remember a lot of things. It was sweet. But nah. Can't remember. My ass. If you can still see me, you can still see me. 1 second. Okay, and now we're gonna carry on going. This is very boring, isn't it, guys? I don't know why I asked you a question now. So now I've just given myself a question. Oh. Oh la looks like we're getting into some shade, so I can take myself. Guess I should show you my eyes. I am now going to show you the view. Dig me down, dig me down. And look at where we're walking. I'm gonna. It's literally. Can I hold it that one? Look at the water. That water. There. It's a lake. It's a lake to the middle of the ocean. To be fair, it's in the middle of the ocean because the sea is the ocean. Just like the beach, what connects to the ocean. Once we got out this bit, I think that's after that. As you can tell now, you can see my face. Just have my sunglasses on. These are Mum put on. I'm not going to be wearing them the whole time, just in the shed. Just in the shade, I'm not going to be wearing them. There is loads of nettles around, so be careful if you come here, guys. Please be careful. As you can see, I've just turned the corner 1 second. There is still loads of nettles. Dig me down, dig me down. I'll let you see what's in front of me, so it's easier for me and you guys. Dig me down, bum, bum, bum. I don't know why I'm singing. There was literally a little bird there. I walked into a nettle. That wouldn't be good, would it? Don't care if it's done in this far. There's still a mile to walk, guys. Still a mile. Also, one day I want to show you the bridge. I've just been out. Maybe I'll just walk on it and like. Maybe I'll just walk on it with you guys without dropping the phone. Just like I did. As you can tell, I am in a world of sacrifice. Work of sacrifice. Yes. So, let's get partying. 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 Gotta make sure I keep it down so I don't get anyone from that side in. And then one from this side, because you know, it's a bit tighter. I'm just gonna carry on walking, and now we are going to. I'm gonna show you the view, and there's the view, the lovely view. Talk about that, guys. I'm going back into the sun. Right, we're back onto the crisscross part. We're onto the crisscross part I was talking to you about, guys. So we either go that way or the other way. Downwards. If that doesn't lead into the pond. I don't think that does. Let's go this way then. Bit easier then. Bit easy to go this way. Again, we're back onto a crisscross pattern. I'm kind of confused here, guys. Which is which? That leads you into long grass. That leads you into long grass. That leads you into the pond. Right, we're going to turn back. I'm not getting stuck in the middle of nowhere. We're going to go that way instead. The way I'm a dummy and didn't go that way. I just called myself a dummy. we'll have to go on this path because that leads to no. Seriously. We came all this way for that. Seriously. That's the view. The view's a long away, and it's too much sun. So it was sunny. Same time as horrible. Sunny-ish. Sunny-ish. It would be nice for some sunny-ish. So then we can go splish, splash, splash. Can't see anything. No one can see me. I'm hiding. Okay, we're turning around because I'm tired. I am literally so tired. If I don't get to sleep now, I'm going to be hungry. You know what that meant? It's mad with hunger. Because I am hungry and I'm sleeping. And if I don't get to sleep and I don't have the food, I get hungry. And 1 second.